Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm going to show you guys where to buy lip gloss tubes. I do this video like every couple of weeks just to show you guys like the new tubes AliExpress has. So if you haven't already, go ahead and go to the App Store and download AliExpress. You can either download the app or you can just go to aliexpress.com on your computer or your tablet or your phone. So I'm going to type in empty lip gloss tubes, and what I like to do is go to the recently added or the new added. So I'm just going to show you guys some tubes. I thought these tubes were like so gorgeous. So the only thing about these tubes are they aren't clear, so you can't like see through them. Here are some other tubes that a lot of people have. Those are pink. Everybody loves pink. Everybody has pink lip gloss tubes because like everybody's favorite color is pink. Those gold tubes are also very common as well. These tubes I thought was very pretty that a lot of people do have. I'm going to talk about pricing on some of these tubes, but as you can see, pricing is pretty much the same. These tubes I thought was very unique because I haven't seen these tubes before. And they are clear, so you can see the gloss through them, which is very, very good. However, the price is way too high. It's $140 for 100. Plus, they're charging you $27 for shipping. Why? I don't know. In my opinion, shipping should be free since I'm paying over $140. So that's basically $1 per tube plus $40 plus another $27. So I don't know about that price. Here are some tubes I thought was very different. I haven't seen these before. They're kind of like regular squeeze tubes, but they have like a brush at the tip of it, I think so. So it's like 3 different kind of brushes. So that's something, you know, unique if you want to be different. So I recommend getting tubes that nobody has, or getting tubes that are like very, very popular, because that will bring people to your page and people will most likely buy it. So pricing, 50 for 47, 10 for 14, 15 ml is 15 for 10, 50 for 51, and 30 for 31. So it's like what, $1 a tube. So yeah, I went back to these. So again, shipping is $27. I don't understand what the issue is. So these tubes are absolutely gorgeous. I really like these tubes. They seem to be really thick, like that's what I like about them, so that they hold a lot of product. However, shipping is $27. So for me, that we're automatically not getting those. So here are just some better photos of those as well. So you get 100 for 98, 30 for 37, 50 for 58. And 10 for 18. So yeah, those are pricey. So if you got money like that, then go ahead and buy it. But me, I'm very cheap, so I would not be getting those. These were absolutely gorgeous. I have never seen anybody with these tubes. They have like a little diamond at the top. That is bougie. Okay, that is so cute. However, they charge $123. I did not see where it said how many it comes with, but shipping is $27, which is another con. But you can either look at the item description and hope that it tells you how many it comes with. If you don't see it, then you can just contact the seller and asking them like, hey, so like how many tubes does this include? So you would just hit contact seller. So yeah, here are some other photos. It holds 2.5 ml, which isn't a lot. I don't recommend getting anything that doesn't hold at least 5 ml because they're not getting a lot of product. So again, if you want any of these tubes that I'm showing, you just want to type in the title that I show in the video. So these tubes are so cute because they're like that Hello Kitty kind of vibe. So that is really girly, really cute. I really like these. I wish they were like a different color pink. It's a little bit too pale for me, But they do have these in gold, but it's like a different face on it, which I'm not a fan of. So shipping is reasonable, and they only cost 88 cents for each one. So that isn't, you know, that isn't terrible, but it could be a little cheaper. Me, I personally like to buy tubes that are like 50 cents each. So if you get 50 of these, it'll cost $45. So, I mean, that's not bad, but then you got to pay for shipping too. I think shipping is what? $3-4. I really can't even read that because I'm doing this recording through my computer. So these are the baby tools that everybody loves, okay? They finally got these baby tubes. I was so excited to see these tubes on their website because me, I personally don't trust, what is it, Alibaba, how it's pronounced? I really don't trust that site. These are cheap as well, only 32 cents a bottle. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's how much all of these tubes used to cost, only 32 cents each. However, there's a con. They charge you so much for shipping. If you buy, like, every time you add one, the shipping will go up. So it'll cost you, let's see, I'm going to type in an amount. So 100 would cost me $67. I think shipping is included. I want to say it is. So that's not terrible. You know, $67 for 100. I mean, hey, you know, it's decent. Me, I'm not trying to spend no more than $50 for 100 tubes. But I'm just cheap. You don't have to be cheap like me, guys. These tubes were also very popular. They finally just added these honey tubes. Again, if you want these tubes, just type in the title that you see on the screen. I will not provide any links because I'm telling you where to buy it. They only cost 28 cents for each one. Shipping is about $17. I mean, that's really too high, but ain't nothing you can do about that. So if you buy 50, it'd be $30. I mean, it's not terrible, but it could be better, you know. But that might be the perfect price for you. So yeah, I really like those tubes. They come in clear and that little brown, orangey kind of color. I would probably buy clear so you can actually see the gloss that's in the tube, because otherwise you won't be able to tell what color it is in the brown. Unless you put in like a brown gloss in there, then I'm sure that'll be fine. But what I like to do is I like to go through AliExpress and just add like a bunch of lip gloss tubes that I see that I like to my cart. So again, I'm just showing you guys some photos of those tubes. These umbrella tubes I posted on my community tab a couple of days ago or a week ago of these umbrella tubes. These were very unique. I have not seen anyone with these tubes. They are kind of pricey. Well, they're a little bit less than $1 each, so you get 5 for $4.19, which is not $1 or $2. It's a little less. But again, that is a little pricey for me. But again, that might be perfect for you. So just because I wouldn't buy it doesn't mean that, you know, you shouldn't buy it. So if I wanted 50 of those, that cost me $45. Again, for me, that's way too high. I don't remember how much product this tube takes, but you can always look at the item description. Again, if you want these tubes, type in the title that you see. Because I know so many people are going to be asking me, where are the links? Where are the links? And I'm telling you to type in the title. These tubes are so pretty. So they had these tubes in like a light pink, a regular pink. I think that's it. But now they have more colors, blue, dark blue, like a dark brown. I thought those were so pretty. Like that baby blue is gorgeous. I really like that. These are kind of how you get 50 for 66. You get 100 for 105. I don't know. That's still kind of high for me. But those are so cute. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.